Wanna know how to check your MoonPay wallet? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your MoonPay application. And now once you have done that, you should be welcomed with this home screen right here. So, once you are in this home screen, what you need to do is here, right below your total value or your current wallet balance, here you should be seeing assets, and right beside assets you should be seeing wallets. So just simply select wallets, and once you've selected wallets, here you should be seeing your MoonPay account and your current balance right here, from Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the way to Tron. So you can also view external wallets by selecting view external wallets, and here you can just simply see external wallets if there are any, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you check your wallet balance or your wallet details. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.